En esto, raza, this is how I start my seeds. This is how I start my seeds right here. Now, check this out. This greenhouse is amazing because it's cold as fuck out here. But it's warm as hell in here. And, yeah. Let me show y'all what I do right here. I'm not sure if y'all seen my last year's videos. The past 2 years, I made the same video of how I start my seeds. I get a napkin. I put my seeds in there, and I just, I tear the little name off of it, off the seed pack, and I leave it on top. But yeah, I fold the napkin. I put the seeds in there, fold the napkin, and I spray it with water. I got 2 plants right here. The ones with less seeds, I put them in 2 plates. And the ones with a lot like herbs and stuff like that, like lettuce and all this stuff, I put a little bit of dirt. This is a new thing. I haven't tried this. This is an experiment right here, but I'm sure it's still gonna grow, obviously, because it's so fucking awesome. And well, water. You gotta come water. You gotta make sure your seedlings, your seeds, do not get dry at all. Now look what I made. I made this shit out of a squirt bottle. Keep it warm. I have my cilantro right here, but I'm not gonna let it grow in here. These right here, I'm gonna just wait for them to grow a little bit, and then I'm gonna go put them out in the dirt because it's already warm out here. Except this weekend just came out to be really cold. Right here, I got my onions and some lemongrass right here. Cilantro, onions. Yeah, as you can see, I use what I got. And these, when they start to grow, I pull them out the seeds. pull them out the napkin. And I put them in stuff like this. Just make a little hole, put the seeds in it, the plants in it, and watch them grow. And I leave them in here till it's time to grow, till it's time to transplant. Like in this area, Memphis, Tennessee, we go around April. That's when we're ready to go transplant and direct sow some seeds. So yeah, grow your food, man. Share my videos. I want everybody to do this. I want to end independence from the government. Fuck the government. Fuck the system. Grow your own food so you won't have to be depending off, oh shit, I ain't got no money for food. Look at your backyard. Look at your balcony. You got some food. Your neighbor grows food. Your granddaddy grows food. Your nephew grows food. Oh shit, that's what I want. That's what I want. Natural grown. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let's go, Mati. The postre.